you a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show 'em who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. Thank you for being here. If you are a first timer, then welcome to the channel. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe down below. You click that subscribe button, click the bell. The bell gives you notifications for when I send out daily videos just like this. Our daily setups. I send out weekly swings, monthly swings, trade reviews, informational videos, learning tools, all kinds of other things. So let's get started. I put this video out fairly late, so I will get it out quickly here for you guys. We'll run through these plays real quick. I'm just going to give you the triggers. You guys know how to find the targets. It's just the bottoms or the tops of the preceding wicks. Obviously here and here. And if we go to the top side, it's here and go back in time to find the other ones. Okay, so the first one and the first four I have on here, guys, are my... I guess you can call them my high conviction plays, the ones that I think will do the best tomorrow. So the first one here is Procter Gamble. We have an inside bar. Again, inside bars show consolidation in the stock. It's like a spring tightening. Gets tighter, 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 and gets ready to explode to one direction or the other. So we can take calls on this one at 157.29, puts at 153.90. KO is Coca-Cola Company, has an outside bar. Full time frame to the upside, so we can look for calls at 63.26, puts at 62.30. XOM is ExxonMobil, has an inside bar, full time frame to the high side, and you can see here we've tested the weekly trigger here a couple times. So let's look for calls on this one to go long at 84.74. Puts can be taken at 82.94. Comcast, CMCSA, inside bar here. So we can take calls at 48.25, puts at 47.43. Okay, and we can look for a continuation maybe on the break of the monthly trigger, which is this blue line here. American Airlines. Guys, if you like the videos, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. You can also follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. I answer questions there. I answer questions here as well. Usually within the same day. So if you have questions, feel free to shoot them out there so I can answer them for you. American Airlines has a 2 down that finished green. So we can look for calls on this one to go long at 17.68. EW is Edwards Life Sciences. We had another 2 down that finished green with this hammer candle here. Hammer candle is a bullish pattern. It looks exactly like what I said. It's just a hammer. This big block on top with a wick below. Okay, so we can look for calls on this one at 120.73. ORCL is Oracle. Oracle 2 down the finish green. A little bit of a gap to fill here in this range. Let's look for, I'm going to move this down. Let's look for calls on this one at 82.14. AA is Alcoa Corporation. Now, yes, we have a 3-1 set up here. I'm just not sure about the premiums and the spread between the bid and ask. But if you guys want, watch this one for a big break to the high or the low side. Obviously, 89, 81 here is our trigger to go long. 86.73 to go short. And as I told you before, our triggers are just the tops of the preceding wicks. Here, here, and here. And if we trend down, here and here. Okay, CVX is up next. CVX has a inside bar with a big long wick and looks like a graveyard doji. We can look for calls on this one at 167.01 or puts at 164.33. GE is General Electric, 2 down that finished green, hammer candle. Let's look for calls on this one at $90.17. GME has higher premiums, so this will be for a bigger account, but we can look for calls on this one at 159.33. IBM, also a 2 down that finished green, so we can look for calls on this one as well at 129.52. Keurig Dr. Pepper has a big green bar here, 2 down that finished green. So again, let's look for calls on Keurig at 38.04. Guys, that's the list. Good luck tomorrow, Thursday, April 7th. And until the next one, bye-bye.